A crypto token is a digital unit of value that exists on top of a blockchain, like a ticket you carry in your phone wallet. It represents access or rights within that system. Let's learn what that means. Welcome to Blockshape. I'm Elliot, your guide to clear finance and blockchain. Imagine being invited to a big concert. You might expect the ticket to be just paper with a seat number, but suddenly, this ticket also lets you buy food inside, join a backstage tour, or even vote on the next artist lineup. How can one ticket do so much? Think of the crypto token as that special event ticket. The venue is already built and running, just like a blockchain network. Organizers don't rebuild the entire stadium every time, they just create new tickets with unique powers. Some tickets are for entry, others for food credits, and some for exclusive meet and greet rights. Without these tickets, the event would run, but fans couldn't unlock all the extras that make it valuable. In plain English, a crypto token is a digital item created on an existing blockchain. Unlike Bitcoin, which is its own coin with its own network, tokens ride on top of an already working system. They can represent ownership of a piece of art, rights to a service, or even proof that you contributed to a project. When you hold a token, you're holding permission or value that the blockchain system verifies for you. This matters because tokens open up new ways to handle everyday agreements. A company can issue tokens as digital receipts that never get lost. An artist can sell a token as proof you own their song or painting. A landlord can give tenants a tokenized lease that can't be faked. Each case adds fairness and reduces the chance of abuse, since the blockchain keeps every record honest. So, now you understand what a crypto token is. Here are the key terms to remember. Crypto token, a digital unit created on an existing blockchain to represent rights or value. Blockchain, the shared record system of computers, code, and people that verifies tokens. Ethereum, a major blockchain where many tokens are built. Digital receipt, a token that proves ownership or payment without paper. And ownership rights, the ability a token gives you to use, access, or control something securely. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.